Hi guys, today we're going to look at two-factor authentication. Well, what the hell is two-factor authentication? Two-factor authentication, in my view, is essential in 2018 and is only going to get more important in 2019 and beyond. Two-factor authentication can be an SMS to your phone as a secondary layer as backup for a password, or you can get a code emailed to you as a secondary layer, or my recommendation would be to download either Google Authenticator, an app, or Authy, another app, which generates a one-time code valid for 30 seconds to really help keep the hackers at bay. Okay, so first out the box is Google Authenticator. Google Authenticator, as cited here in the search result, is a software token that implements two-step verification services using the time-based one-time password algorithm. So all that means is that it generates a one-time 6-digit PIN code for you to be able to log into the service that you choose. It's similar to this here. That code comes up. There's the little time graph here. That code is valid for 30 seconds, and you can use that to verify your email, social media accounts. So we'll just go into the website here. This is on Android. You can download it here. It's also compatible for iOS for all your iPhone people. So here it is here showing a screenshot, and there's the code. Okay, so if you Google list of websites that Google Authenticator covers, it brings up a short list here in the knowledge box. Otherwise, there's a good website here, twofactorauth.org. If you go into here, it segregates it into different categories: cryptocurrency, social, utilities, transport, etc. Let's have a look at social. So 500 pics, photography website supports it, software token here. Facebook also supports it. So you can use Google Authenticator and two-factor authentication to strengthen up the security on your Facebook account. Google Plus as well, Hootsuite, popular social media management dashboard. And you can go down, Pinterest supports it here, Reddit, Snapchat, and Twitter. So you can go through and check where you can apply Google Authenticator via this website. The alternative is Authy. Now, I use Authy over Google Authenticator through experience. With Google Authenticator, you're limited to one device. If you lose that device, if you have it on your phone, you lose your phone, you're stuffed. You're going to be locked out of your accounts, and you'll have to go through an arduous and enduring task of going back and forth with support, proving your identity, and getting your account unlocked. The benefit of Authy is it works on multiple devices, so you can have it set up on your tablet, your mobile phone, and another phone, another device. You can have it on limitless devices. So if you lost your mobile phone or you lost a tablet, it doesn't matter. It's device synced, so the other devices can pick it up and you're not locked out of your accounts. The way it works is, for Google Authenticator and Authy, is you'll scan a QR code in the app, and then that will set up the account. You can also use it for WordPress websites there. This is a visual guide here of some of the popular ones: Facebook, Yahoo, Gmail, Amazon, Twitter, Apple, and so on. These are some of the points of difference. Google Authenticator lacks multi-device support, which is what I was saying before. Google Authenticator is only available on mobile devices, whereas Authy can be on others. Google Authenticator has no encrypted recovery backups, limited password protection, and so on. You can read about that on here. So if we look at the two-factor authentication guides, let's have a look at Facebook, a popular one, and see what happens. So you log into your Facebook, go into settings, go up to security, and click edit on login approvals. Turn on two-factor authentication, enable, and you've set that up. So you're telling Facebook when you log in with username and password, you also want a secondary layer of security, which is that one-time 30-second code, your two-factor authentication. Now this is where I was saying before, it's a QR code. So within the app, Authy or Google Authenticator on your mobile phone, like a camera section of the screen that will come up, and you'll need to scan this code. By doing that, you're associating the account with the two-factor authentication app. So in this case, you're setting up extra security with your two-factor authentication in Facebook, and Facebook has provided this QR code. You're then scanning it with your app, and then that tells the app that, hey, this is your Facebook account, and it connects or ties that in with you. Once you've done that, and it's showing it here, add account, it provides the PIN code, then you hit done, and then once you've done that, the next time you log in, it will ask you for username and password as usual. You click enter, and then it will say what is your PIN code, and there it is. It'll generate it on the app. You just grab that. So that strengthens the security for your accounts, and it's a really good habit to get into in this day and age. You can see Instagram there, Gmail, Facebook, lots of other services. So I'll leave those websites with you in that list, and I know that that'll help bolster your security for the rest of 2018 and going into 2019 and beyond. Cheers. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, please do give it a like and a thumbs up. If you feel that someone you know could benefit from the advice within it, please leave their name tagged below. Or if you've got any feedback for me, I love to learn, so please leave your comments below. Thanks, have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.